Summer is officially here, and if you think it's too hot to crochet, think again. Today, we are putting away the chunky blanket yarn and diving into the ultimate summer wardrobe. I have hunted down 50 of the absolute best, most flattering, and completely free crochet summer top patterns on the internet. From breezy mesh tees and boho halters to romantic lace and trendy Y2K crop tops, I guarantee your next favorite summer outfit is in this video. Because we have 50 amazing patterns to get through, we are doing a rapid-fire roundup. I have linked every single free pattern in the description box below. So just sit back, relax, and let's find your next cast on. Kicking things off at number 1 is the ruffle sleeve striping top. This gives the perfect nautical vibe with playful ruffles that are so fun to wear. Number 2 is the summer bell sleeve top. If you love boho aesthetics, these dramatic breezy sleeves are an absolute must-make. Number 3, the beautiful long sleeve flower shirt. Perfect for transitional weather or cool summer nights, featuring delicate floral open work. Number 4 is a vintage lace cardigan. This is a stunning romantic layer to throw over your favorite sundress. Number 5 is the butterfly shrug. Y2K fashion is back, and this ultra-trendy quick make is perfect for festivals. Number 6, the colorful top with flowers. Bright, bold, and packed with blooming applique to make a serious statement. Number 7 is a full-sleeve crochet top. This offers lightweight, breathable coverage for those breezy beach days. Number 8 is the lightweight floral top. Sweet, flowy, and features a beautiful flowery touch around the edges. Number 9 is the wren top. Modern, minimalist, and an absolute wardrobe staple you will wear all season. Number 10 is the shell stitch top. This uses classic crochet shells for a gorgeous ocean-inspired texture. Number 11 is the lace shell tank top. Delicate lace meets the perfect breezy summer silhouette. Number 12, the electric sun tee. Bright, cheerful, and guaranteed to lift your mood the second you put it on. Number 13 is the chantilly summer top. Elegant, incredibly lacy, and drapes beautifully over a camisole. Number 14 is the Pura Vida halter, your ultimate go-to backless beachside halter neck. Number 15 is the Sea Breeze V-neck tank, the absolute perfect beginner-friendly everyday tank top. Number 16, the simple square neck crop. Flattering, trendy, and so incredibly easy to customize to your exact size. Number 17 is the lacy summer top. Effortlessly chic with beautiful open work that breathes perfectly in the heat. Number 18 is the Kanata kerchief tank. A super fun bandana-style top that screams summer road trip. Number 19 is the boho top. Fringes, texture, and pure bohemian magic. Number 20, the Audrey off-the-shoulder crop. A classic, flattering design that beautifully frames the collarbones. Number 21 is the bow off-shoulder top. Sweet, romantic, and features a gorgeous oversized front bow. Number 22 is the Bayshore tee. A relaxed, casual fit that pairs absolutely perfectly with your favorite denim shorts. Number 23 is the Summerstream mesh tee. Highly breathable mesh that doubles as a fantastic swimsuit cover-up. Number 24 is the Daisy tee. Happy, bright floral vibes in a comfortable, relaxed t-shirt shape. Number 25, the Sun-soaked bandeau. Absolute perfection with puff stitch straps and the cutest back tie details. Number 26 is a tie front crop top. Flirty, fun, and easy to adjust the fit with the front closure. Number 27 is the cute front tie tank. Another lovely tie front option, but with a slightly tighter ribbed texture. Number 28, the summer flower top. Packed with petal details for the ultimate garden party look. Number 29 is the Somme tank top. Uses simple stitches to create a highly wearable, everyday staple piece. Number 30 is the side-to-side fringe top. Incredible drape and fun movement with those fringy ends. Number 31 is the Peach Dream Top. Soft, sweet, and wonderfully romantic with its delicate stitch work. Number 32 is a ribbed crop top. It looks knit, but it's crochet, super stretchy and very modern. Number 33 is the Midsummer Blossom Camisole. Dainty straps and intricate blossom stitches for a delicate finish. Number 34 is the Muse Top. Artistic, unique, and sure to turn heads wherever you go. Number 35, the Messy Mesh Top. The ultimate edgy, breathable layering piece over a bralette or swimsuit. Number 36 is the Floral Granny Square Top. Nostalgic, retro, and totally in style right now. Number 37 is the top with hexagons. Geometric genius. Hexagon cardigans are huge, and this top version is amazing. Number 38 is the top Cassiopeia, a starry, beautiful geometric design with lovely drape. Number 39, the lovely lacy top. Elegant open work that easily transitions from a day at the beach to a night out. Number 40 is the Easy Puff Sleeves top. Trendy, voluminous sleeves for a bold fashion statement. Number 41 is the Floral Zara top. Get that designer-inspired luxury look on a DIY yarn budget. Number 42 is simply the cute crop top. It does exactly what it says. It's an absolute summer essential. Number 43 is the Lily Ruffle sleeve. Feminine ruffles combined with a comfortable, relaxed tee fit. Number 44, the V-neck tee. A super flattering neckline on a casual, everyday shirt. Number 45 is the Flamingo tank. Tropical, fun, and exactly what you need to pack for your next vacation. Number 46 is the Granny Stripes top. The classic granny stitch gets a modern, highly wearable update. Number 47 is the Lacy Leaf sweater. A lightweight, airy pullover with stunning leaf motifs throughout. Number 48 is the Butterfly top. The iconic, ultra-trendy butterfly shape for those really hot summer days. Number 49 is the Cherry Blossom puff sleeve. Sweet, floral, and packed with romantic volume in the sleeves. And finally, number 50 is the Cotton Crochet top. The ultimate breathable essential basic to round out our massive list. Whew, we made it through all 50. I want to know which one of these was your absolute favorite. So leave a comment down below with the number or the name of the top you are going to cast on first. Remember, every single free pattern is linked for you in the description box. If you are interested in making blankets, check out my other 93 free blanket patterns collection. If this video gave you some major summer crochet inspiration, please hit that like button. It helps my channel so much. Subscribe so you don't miss my next free pattern roundup. Grab your favorite cotton yarn, and I will see you in the next video. Happy crocheting!